and what makes a couple truly adventurous. So for Orlando Bloom and Katy Perry, it might just be the thrill of taking a heart-stopping leap into the unknown, literally. On an exhilarating day in August, they showcased their love in a breathtaking way by jumping out of the helicopter. And clinging to each other's hands, they counted down before free-falling into an expansive body of water below. This picturesque moment spotlighted their infectious chemistry, with Bloom's shirtless enthusiasm and the Perry rocking a bold orange bikini, her hair whipping in the wind. The spontaneity of such a daring escapade highlights the fierce bond they share. And captured in a thrilling video shared on social media, the couple dove into aqua blue waves, their laughter echoing through the air. The footage, infused with playful affection, revealed a glimpse of how joyfully they embrace life together. A fun snapshot even portrayed their silhouettes against the sky, a reminder of both adventure and love's gravity. Perry's thoughtful caption read something like, "Our souls will always find each other, no matter the time or place." The relationship, however, hasn't always been a smooth sail. Began in 2016, faced hiccups, yet returned to course with commitment. Bloom proposed to Perry in February 2019. Though they haven't tied the knot yet, whispers of a wedding reveal they're waiting for the right moment. A source hinted that their big day might come when least expected, adding a dash of mystery to their romantic narrative. Their newly expanded family now includes their beloved daughter, Daisy Dove, born in August 2020. As committed partners and parents, they openly share dreams of adding more members to their family, a sentiment Bloom conveyed in heartfelt interviews. He poetically likens his relationship with Perry's to building a vast sandcastle on the beach, ever evolving despite the sand shifting beneath them. If you love hearing about magical moments like this, consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the like button. And it really is going on the back there. They really didn't love their missions. To know that he was carrying out on the construction the mission Russian lane. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.